How to create Khan Academy account. So if you want to create Khan Academy account, then what you need to do, first you need to download the application from your Play Store. Once you've downloaded the application, now you need to open the application. Once you open, now you need to tap on sign in, and you can continue with your Google, with your Facebook, Apple, or email. So if you're already a user, you can go with sign in, which is on the bottom. But if you've not created your account, then you can continue with your Google, tap on it, or you can sign up with your email. So I'll just simply go with Google and choose your Google account, and that's it. Now you can select your language. So tap on select language and then select your language. I'll just simply choose English language, and after that go with device language, go back, and that's it. Now you can go with explore and you can explore anything that you want. So that's how you can create your Khan Academy account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.